What's up guys, check out this portable CD player from the brand HOTT. So, I know what you're thinking, why would you use a CD player anymore? But this has some neat functions, like you could have Bluetooth connectivity, you could also go FM radio, and then of course it also is a functioning CD player. So if you're trying to bring back that vintage old school look, want to rock a CD player, this will for sure get people the look. Has many buttons, on button, FM button, Bluetooth button, and all of these other buttons that do different things. So there's a user manual, of course, in the book. It also comes with headphones. It comes with a little connection cord so you could connect it to your car. And then also a charger, obviously. They kind of upgraded the CD player a little bit. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and use it. Come and get your love.